welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Megha. And if you're wondering where Mahith is, I didn't really want to bring him because I'm going to show you something cool, smart and secret. Here it is. It's the Project MC2 A.D.I.S.N journal. It's a secret diary specially designed for secret agents like me. There are about 7 spy gadgets in here and I really want to see what's inside, so let's open it. This is a genius bracelet. If you need to do anything with this journal, you need this. This is a wearable bracelet. If you're wondering what these letters mean, they all represent a chemical from the periodic table. So let's see how this works. Oh wait, I need a glass of water.
What is this? This looks like a cool diary. It must be Megha's. Let me try to open it. It won't open. Let me get a screwdriver. Open.
What are you doing?
Ah! You scared me!
Why are you trying to open my diary?
Oh, is that your diary?
Yeah.
Can you show me how to open it?
Okay, but only once. And don't try to open it again, because it's mine.
Okay.
So you need this bracelet.
Okay.
And then you swipe this over the label, like this. Here it comes.
Your diary talks?
Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing.
Here is a spy pen.
What?
A spy pen.
I have lots of pens.
Well, this is a special pen. And I use this pen to write my secrets.
So can you show me?
Yeah. Can you read this?
There you go. Looks like your pen doesn't work.
This is a spy pen, not a normal pen. Here is my secret chamber.
Ooh.
This is a light to show me what I have written.
Okay.
Do you want to see it?
Yeah, let's see. Mahith. It is Mahith.
Well, it says Mahith is an idiot, because you are an idiot. There is a Project MC2 case files app that you can download in your phone. There's even a space for your phone. Here is a scribble pad that you can write your findings while you're playing the game.
All done? I'm fine when you're saving the world.
We hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.